Hey y'all, it's Katie here, bringing you another episode of AFI's DIYs. Today we'll be making exfoliating coffee soap. This is perfect for all you coffee lovers and will make a great addition to your storefront. For tools you will need soap mold, double boiler, stirring utensil, rubbing alcohol spray. To make 3 bars of soap, you will need 92.31% or 1 cup of cubed goat's milk soap base, 5.77% or 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, 1.92% or 1 teaspoon of fragrance. The fragrance you choose is key for a product like this, and of course the obvious choice was hazelnut vanilla. This is going to be perfect for this soap. When picking your scent, check the IFR limits to make sure the fragrance and the amount you're using is skin safe. Great, now let's jump right in. First, melt the soap base in your double boiler on low to medium heat. Once fully melted, remove from heat. Next, quickly mix the coffee and fragrance into the melted base. Then, pour into your soap mold. Once the bars are completely hardened, gently pop them out of the silicone mold and store into an airtight container. They're ready to use immediately once solid, no curing time needed. This product costs us just over $1 to make. It can be sold wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $5 to $6. An alternative to exfoliating your skin with these soap bars would be to massage your skin with our DIY massage bars. That's a wrap for today's DIY. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye!